Okay, that wasn't the last Tesla one. There's one more Tesla one, but this is kind of a joke. Exclusive dating app for Tesla owners is not a joke, but is a joke. Okay, this started as a joke.
Yes.
To be clear, some guy thought it would be funny to set up a fake prototype for an app that would be an exclusive dating app for those that own Teslas. So again, getting back to the fandom, the obscene fandom, the almost unbelievable fandom that exists for Tesla and leads Willie Doo to want 100 shares in the company. That would cost a few bucks right now. I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
Anyways, so this guy, Ajit Pal Gruel, who's actually, I believe he's a Canadian. I read that somewhere. Yeah, a Canadian e-commerce entrepreneur. Thought of the app after hearing from countless friends and acquaintances about how much they love their Teslas. He said, it seemed like once they became a customer, that's all they wanted to talk about. It became a big part of their identity. So you know how this works. You have people enthusiastic around a particular thing. You have exclusive dating sites for all kinds of niches and individuals with a different set of interests. Yeah. There's farmers only, famously. Maybe we can get a farmersonly.com right now. Just a real quick side mission for you, Will, on this game. There you go, farmersonly.com. This is are you single in the country? You see that? City folks just don't get it. And then you just go and you just go and date a farmer only.
Yeah.
So that's how that one works. Anyway, these kind of things exist, but this was just a joke. The guy set it up as a joke, apparently, but ended up getting a bunch of press, ended up getting on Mashable, ended up getting on the Lou Later Show right here. And now he says he may go ahead and actually build it because people started asking for it. And he said, yeah, of course I want to date someone with a Tesla. I love my Tesla. We can talk about our Teslas all day together. I think we're about to be a match, perfect match.
Yeah. Go try it out.
Oh, by the way, your profile, if you see the examples here, your profile is your picture, your name, age, and then the Tesla model that you drive. And the color, and who knows what type of psychology you can derive from a person's name, age, and their Tesla choice, which model they went for, right? There's a 2020 Model 3, and red is what Mia chose. Yeah. So all of a sudden, Willie Doo's trying to figure it out.
There's a lot of personality in this
See, it's a lot of personality. Now, if that car instead was black, you'd be like, I don't know. All right. Or white, you might be like, But white, you would go for?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, see, it's interesting how people... No, they say a lot about a car color. They say a lot about a car color.
Yeah.
You know, white is very popular right now. But I'm just saying red is a real move. You got to hire insurance with the red. So you got to be willing to pay for it. Like, look at Andy. He's 36.
Yeah.
He's got the Model S, but what his color is it?
It's like a gray or
dark gray. And he's got the suit on, and he's an engineer. So you know everything about him now.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, the color, it tells you something. This started as a joke, and it may actually become something. So if you got a Tesla and you're looking for love, I mean,
right on.
This will get it all sorted out for you.